Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a data loan in Airtel. This valuable service helps you stay connected when your main data runs out, allowing you to borrow a small amount of data for urgent needs. First, it is important to check if you are eligible for this service by simply dialing the designated UST code. We will guide you through this process step by step, ensuring you have all the information needed. Once you have confirmed your eligibility, requesting a data loan is straightforward and quick. Simply dial the specific UST code, *141# from your Airtel number. You will then see an option for data loan, select it and confirm your request. The borrowed data, often around 200 megabytes, will be credited to your account almost instantly, keeping you online when it matters most. Typically, an Airtel data loan provides a set amount, such as 200 megabytes, which is usually valid for a period like 24 hours. This loan, along with a small service charge, will be automatically deducted from your next recharge. It is important to remember this repayment mechanism to avoid any unexpected deductions. This system ensures your convenience and continued access to data services. To qualify for future data loans, it is crucial to ensure that you repay your current loan on time. You can easily check your outstanding balance and repayment status by dialing the dedicated UST code, like *121#. Using data loans responsibly helps you maintain eligibility and ensures continuous connectivity. Always manage your usage thoughtfully for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.